Look at it.
Damn.
Shattered, man.
Oh fuck.
Yeah.
I'm surprised these stayed in while you were driving.
Yeah,
What
right?
the fuck?
But yeah, I have to be there by 5, so I'm gonna leave right now. Yep, fun
How'd
stuff.
they fuck it up that bad, bro?
I don't know, man.
Were they like reversing out of their driveway?
Yeah, they said I was in the blind spot. What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is a video I thought I would never ever have to make. So as you guys just saw, I just showed Bricks what happened to my car. So I got a text from my mom saying that, hey Christian, the neighbor hit your car. And in my head, when I read the message, I'm like, dude, there's no freaking way that this happened. My car is literally parked in front of my house in an open area. It's a black car in the middle of the day. It can't be that hard to see. But when I was scrolling through the photos she sent me, as you guys already saw, I was like, holy crap, this actually happened. This is like a reality thing. So like my taillight is completely shattered. My bumper and diffuser, they have a huge bump. Clear coat's gone into the paint. Absolutely looks terrible. But I mean, I can't help but like, obviously, like I'm mad, I'm sad, mixed emotions. Like, I mean, the best thing is no one was hurt. It's an accident. I didn't want to yell at the person. My neighbor was super nice. I don't want any drama between us. She apologized. She gave us all of her information to get it fixed. I'm actually going to be going to take my car right now to the body shop and get it appraised, and then they're going to be taking care of all of it. They said that her insurance should take care of all of it, but I don't know, man. As soon as like I thought like, yeah, man, my car is almost paid off. That's why I'm working all of these extra shifts to pay it off. I was gonna pay it off in like 3 months by my birthday, as my birthday gift to myself. And I was in like doing research again. I was motivated to start doing modifications again to it. I want to do some aesthetic mods to it, but fudge, man, it happens to the best of us. I'll show you guys some more footage of it, and I'll update you guys once I get to the body shop. Huge thanks to Riff Raff Drive Bobby for recommending me this place. I looked at their Instagram. It's pretty popular. I mean, they have like a lot of exotic cars, a lot of regular cars, but I mean, if they work on exotics, right, they should be able to fix a Toyota, right, or a BMW, as you guys may say it. But I'll update you guys once I get to the shop. What a sad day, man. What a sad day. This is the owner's car. And this is where I grabbed all my stuff. But here's the damages again. Fuck. So sad, man. So sad.
Well, the frame's on.
Uh-huh.
And then this is our aluminum room over there. Our wash bay is next to it, and our paint department's on the other side. We could go over. I'll show you.
Okay, for sure.
It's closed up right now, but
No, it's okay. You don't have to open it.
this is where all the magic happens.
That's pretty cool, though. I kind of like the matte finish or the satin finish of the.
Yeah,
of
we
the
just
cars.
got this car wrapped, did all the chrome deletes. Yeah, this is the wash detail area over here.
Oh, I think this is like where they took photos of some car. I saw it on Instagram. I think your brother sent it to me on Instagram. I think. Oh wait, no, these are the like. Yeah.
Production over there.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, this is ready, waiting for those bottom moldings. It's getting painted
Uh-huh.
too, and put it on, wash the car. We just detailed it.
Into all videos, of course, we have to get food. My mom just picked me up.
What do you think? This ought to be the right kind of place for a tough guy like you. Garbage cans.
And this is where we will end today's video. I'm still in utter shock of what happened to my car. I mean, accidents happen. I didn't expect it would happen to my car, but it happened. You know, I wasn't driving. No one was hurt. It is what it is. the car will be fixed. I dropped it off to RR Auto Group. Thanks to Riff Raff Drives for recommending me that place. That owner's Lamborghini, I don't know if it was a Aventador or whatever, but that thing was absolutely beautiful. It was like a beige with a Tiffany blue, especially the Tiffany blue on the way on the inside. Chef's kiss, man. But I don't know when it'll be ready. I think like a couple weeks. It is what it is, but I want to say thank you guys so much for watching. I can't wait to get it back and finish paying off the car so I can start modifying again. But I want to say thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Scram!